Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to request a warranty repair from Dell Support. All right, let's begin. To get started, open your web browser, search for Dell Warranty Claim, and select the first official support link from the results. Before proceeding, you will need to locate your hardware's unique service tag ID, which is typically found printed on a sticker on the bottom or back panel of your device. If you are processing a desktop or a monitor rather than a laptop, make sure to select your specific product category line on the main page. Once you have located the code, paste it directly into the provided search identification box and click the search button. The portal will quickly pull up your system configuration and display whether your hardware coverage is active. If your device is eligible for a claim, click on the prominent Manage Services button to open a new service prompt. From here, simply follow the step-by-step on-screen diagnostic and shipping instructions to submit your repair request completely online. So that's basically how you can request a warranty repair from Dell Support. That's it for this video. Thanks!